bunny.
You're a bunny.
What are you?
I'm a Jenny.
Where's your floppy ears?
They're not so floppy, bunny.
Hey, there's on the side of your head. What are these things, though?
They're the piggies.
They look like ears.
They're piggies. Ah! Don't eat the piggies.
They're not piggies.
They're piggies.
I have friends who are piggies. Those aren't piggies. Where's their little curly
They're
tail?
piggy tails.
Oh.
They're my piggies.
Where's your teeth? Ah. I got
Yes,
cute teeth like this.
are much cuter.
Where's your big red nose?
I have a little
Oh. What are these things on your face?
glasses.
Oh. How come you got glasses?
Because I need to see the bunny.
Oh. I'm a bunny.
You're a bunny.
I'm a bunny.
You're a cute bunny.
Well, maybe. You're a cute... What'd you say you were?
Jenny.
Oh, you're a cute Jenny.
I'm a Jenny. You're a bunny.
But how come it doesn't work both ways?
Because it doesn't.
Hey, my ears bend. Yeah, like that. That's good.
That's cute. Bunny.
So, you want to say the alphabet or something?
Okay. Who's gonna start?
I don't know. A.
B.
B is for bunny.
B is for bunny.
And bunk beds.
And bunny.
C.
D.
E.
F.
G.
H. I.
J. K. L. M. N. O. P.
Q.
Monop. Haha.
Q.
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 Oh, you're welcome. R.
S.
T.
U.
V.
W.
No, not
W.
Not next
W.
year. X.
Y.
I don't know.
Can we say Z together?
Okay.
Z. That was fun.
Yeah. Can I give you a hug?
Funny.
Honey.
Money.
Jenny.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.